All right, so we have a new project this weekend. This is the dining room. As you guys remember, that's the dining room table that I made about a year or two ago. The doors were painted all black. That's finished, so that's fantastic. You guys seen that happen as well. But today, or this weekend, we are changing out this guy. That is not that's the normal builder grade chandelier that came with the house. So I ordered this bad boy down here. A lot bigger, obviously. I think it's like 42 inches long. Should fit directly above the table, right in the middle. Only issue is it has a bunch of crystals on it, so we're about to kind of see how it goes. I actually have to get, they say you have to get like rubber gloves so that you don't mess the crystals up and make them like smudgy and oily and greasy. So I have to get rubber gloves, but that is getting changed this weekend, and I'm gonna need Shirell's help because it is very long, and I think there's like 60 crystals or something like that that you actually gotta hang one by one on top of it. So we gotta move this table out the way, shift that to the side, get up there, and ideally that should be a plan for this weekend. But we first gotta go to the Georgia State Fair, so we'll do that first. All right, this is what we are. I actually haven't done anything but move the table to the side so I can get to this guy right here. But I was looking at it, and it looks like one of these are actually uneven. Maybe I was just looking at it wrong. Maybe I think I was just looking at it wrong. So we did paint this room ourselves. This room was actually very tedious to paint, and it was kind of a spur of moment thing, and we just went to Walmart and got paint from Walmart, which we'll never do again because all the stains of any type of handprints, even though this was supposed to be like, I think it was eggshell, it really didn't work out. Maybe this was satin. I don't know. But I did, it was a little tedious painting the ceilings. But made it work. But I do like it. You know, I'm not a fan of pink rooms, but I think it works out well. And then Shirell had bought this later. So, coming together. Coming together. We just need to get this guy changed out, which is in this box here, which I'm excited about. Okay, this is what it's supposed to look like. Should be pretty straightforward. I've hung ceiling fans, all kinds of other lights before. People said online that it took hours for them to put together, which I'm not too sure because it should be straightforward. Only difference is I think all these little crystals might become a problem, and I think that's where the hours of tediousness comes in, so we'll see. Now I can only foresee right now one issue with this installation, which I forgot these take I think like E12, E13 chandelier light bulbs, which I do not have, which maybe I should get so that I could test my wiring, which the wiring should be pretty straightforward, but just to be on the safe side. Unless they gave me some in a box. Nope, those are crystals. So they're not in a box. So I have to go buy them myself. I'm guessing these are the pins to hang the crystals with, which looking at how many pins tells me I might actually be here for a while. This might actually take a couple hours after all. The problem is the sun's starting to go down. Should probably started this earlier this morning. In order to keep the crystals clean, they gave me white gloves, but these gloves are really small. So this might be a job. I was about to say a job for Shirell, but Shirell got some big hands too. So I might need to use this for London. We might have to put London to work. All right, old light down. Now it's time to put the brackets on and move from there. Oh, if you could barely see me, it's because we ain't got no light in this room. The sun has set. It was a little bit more difficult to get up there, and it's still not up there properly, so I'll wait for the daytime. You guys can't see, I don't even know what I'm showing to. I'll wait for the daytime. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to get some light bulbs and start it all over again. It was supposed to be 1, 2, 3. It's not 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6.
All right, so we're back for day 2. Only reason we're day 2 is because last night got really dark and I started too late in the evening time. But we're up. I gotta adjust the chains a little bit more. Also tighten the bracket up a little tighter so it's nice and level. Got a new supervisor right here today, and we're going. But I also ran to Home Depot, Lowe's last night. Not Lowe's, Walmart to get some light bulbs. So today's the tedious task of putting each of these crystals on here, and there's a lot more than I thought. So it's gonna be fun times. Well, these are the crystals here. Obviously you can see I got the gloves on. Actually the gloves stretched quite a bit. But yeah. But each of these little guys, each wrap up has 2 in each. It's gonna be a fun task, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. All these little tiny holes. So this is what it looked like so far, with just 2. Got all these guys go. So the tedious part about this is not only do you have to hook them all one by one, but you have to try to make them even, because you actually bend these little hooks yourself. It's easy to where these might come off a little uneven. So it's a little bit of like moving around to make sure it all is straight. This is how we're looking so far. Looks pretty good. I did a second row just to kind of see what it looks like. There are a few that have like scuff marks on it that I'm see if I don't need, because I think I might have more than enough pieces. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? I will recommend this. Use it with the lights on, put the light bulbs in, because you can actually look at the crystals and see which ones have scratches and cups. So I definitely suggest that. But now that I'm in this row right here, which is this long straight run, and I've gotten into a good routine, it's actually going on pretty quickly. These shortest, because now I can kind of really judge the height of each. Now, you could probably do this with 2 people, but I would highly suggest do 1 person at a time. Well, I highly suggest at least 1 person doing, because it's just easier for 1 person to kind of get a good eye of what's level, because if you start on 2 different sides, you might end up finding out that it's not actually level with each other. It is done, up and running. It took maybe like combined about 5 hours, maybe 6 to be honest with you. Actually took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take, because each of the crystals are individually wrapped in sets of 2, and you have to hang them one at a time to make sure they're nice and even, so you could adjust the pins as you need to. Luckily, see these crystals, these all had some type of defects in one way, shape, or form, whether it's scuff marks or whatever it was. So I was able to put them aside. But the good thing about it is they actually gave so many extras. I think I have like 12 extra crystals in here, which is pretty solid. Plus they gave a whole bag full of extra parts. So even in the directions, it did say that if things are broken, don't worry about it. Don't, you know, there's more than enough extra parts to get it fixed, which I can't agree to, because there are definitely more than enough parts to it. I use daylight light bulbs inside there, so it's nice and bright. I can't wait till it gets a little dark in here so I can actually see how bright it actually is without no sun coming from the outside. But I think pretty good, you know. I didn't really consider the fact that cleaning wise might be a pain, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So far so good, you know. Yeah, it's pretty good.